I really hope you guys like my attempt. I wanted to do something new and I was really into smoky eye. Okay, so I finished the look. I wanted to do something very easy, very doable, very quick. I like a heavy look, but today I wanted to do something different. Again, this was inspired by, painted by Spencer. He did this beautiful smoky eye and I attempted it. I think I could have done, what I could have done better is this part right there. This is kind of something I need to work on, but all in all, I do like the look. I think it's very pretty. The lashes are a little, I think it went up a little bit. I don't know what happened, but these are my favorite lashes. I don't know what happened right here, but all in all, I do like the look. I think it's very pretty. Next time I think I should use something a bit darker. I'm personally happy with the look. I think it's very pretty and very simple. I like the process compared to like what I've been doing before, but either way I enjoy it. And like I said in a previous video, the MAC foundation that I'm using, and Wishful, so the MAC foundation here, the Studio Radiance, and I mix it with Glowish skin tint. This is a really good combination because I like the way it makes my skin look. And for this look I didn't use highlighter, but this one I really like. The process of it was very smooth for me, and this, I just love the finish and I think it's very pretty. Forgive my hair, you guys. Forgive my hair. I hope you can forgive it. It's a little wild, but I tried to put my hair in a bun, but it was just not looking good. But I'll put my hair down, why not? What I wanted to share was I went online and shopped at MAC because, like I said, their lip products are superior in my opinion. That's just my opinion. I've been a long time fan of their lipstick and their lip glosses. They're just, it smells good and the application's gorgeous. Please, if you have anything to share with me, write it down below. But I had to restock on my Prep and Prime. I love this spray. It's beautiful. I've always had this. Sets my face. Love it. And I got 4 colors here that I've never gotten before. I have a matte, 2 of a matte lipstick. One is Please Me and one is Yash, which I'm wearing on my center lip right now. I'm gonna swatch right here. It's like a nice nude. I wanted a nice nude lipstick, so like my reaction was it was just too gorgeous. And this one is Please Me, a nice, I didn't wear this yet, but it's like a nice pink. I love pink. I used to hate pink, but not anymore. I really like it because I feel like it's very girly. I don't know, things have changed. I'm like more girly more than ever. And this one I just topped on my lips, which was Spite, my favorite metal band too, Spite. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful nude. Just a beautiful nude lipstick. Lip gloss, excuse me. And this one I haven't tried yet, but I thought it was another color, but it looks purple in person. This one is Love Child. It's like a nice purple glitter type finish, which I'll swatch. Wow, that is pretty. I'm excited to wear. This is something new for me. It's something I wouldn't wear, but look at that. I really hope you guys like my attempt. I wanted to do something new and I was really into smoky eye, and I know we're heading in the fall and I think it would be a beautiful look. I'm liking everything that I'm seeing. I think it's very ladylike and very pretty. I like it. I'm just, maybe I could change the lashes. I think it's a lot for this look. I think I'm gonna get maybe like velour lashes, something a little wispy, something a little more easy for the look. I think it's pretty, but guys, I mean, I love it. And Charlotte Tilbury contour, Charlotte Tilbury blush, and lip pencil. I mean, Charlotte Tilbury, she's like the queen of glow in my opinion. But I'm really digging this look. I think it's very pretty. Again, I hope you guys like this video. I wanted to do something different from my look. And again, the hair, I need a new hairstyle. My hair is growing again. I cut my hair like I showed in the last video. But what do you guys think? I think it's very pretty. I'm very proud of it. But again, I pointed out some things I could work on, but all in all, I like this look. I think it's very pretty. I'm hoping I could go out more. I've been in the house. I haven't been doing anything, but this would be a nice night look too. Okay. Alright, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. And again, I will see you in the next video.